Hey guys, it's Natalie from Sporting Smiles, and today I wanted to show you that I got my impression kit, and so I wanted to go through everything that's in it so that you guys know what to expect when you receive yours. So here's the box. This is what it looks like. It's this really cute orange color, and there's all these smiley faces on it, and it's so cute. You see, there's like even ones with sunglasses. Sporting Smiles. Sporting Smiles. I think it's from Sporting Smiles. Open her up. It's so easy. It is. I'm just being annoying. Okay. Oh, and even more smiley faces in here. Very cute touch. It says your smile has arrived. SportingSmiles.com. I'm excited. We got the pamphlet, and this is exciting because it shows you everything you have to know. Everything you have to know on what to do. And if you're like me and you're a very visual person, there are so many pictures in here, and you can watch someone do it. They have a QR code at the top on the first page, super easy to find, and it takes you to a video where you will be able to see someone do the impression. So if it seems a little scary to you, breathe for a sec. It's gonna be okay because you'll be able to watch someone do it. So that's really good because, you know, if you can see someone do it, you can see that it is easy, and it gives you a little bit more confidence to know that you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Cool. The next thing is the trays. So these are really cool because if they don't fit your mouth, like right, this is how they take your impression, you put it in your mouth. Most people have no issues, and most people don't have to make any adjustments. If you do, they have a super easy, like in the pamphlet that I showed you, it'll explain how to, you know, snap off a little piece so that it fits your mouth better. And of course there are two because, you know, one for the top, one for the bottom. This is the putty, right? So you're probably like, Natalie, why are there 6? Well, these you mix together, you put it in one tray, and then plop it in your mouth, bite down into it. Don't just plop it in your mouth. Don't listen to me. Well, listen to me, but don't listen to that. But yeah, so you want to make sure that you mix it up entirely so there's no more white showing, and then you can, you know, mold it to go in here, and then you bite into it. And so you have one for the top, one for the bottom, and then even if you mess up, which you're gonna be fine, you're watching this video, you have an extra one just in case. So there's really nothing to, you know, hold you back from doing this, because if you mess up, who cares? You have this. Let's say all goes wrong. You can even send Sporting Smiles your pictures of your impressions and like email it to them, and then they will check to see if your impressions are good or bad. They'll tell you, and then they'll send you more putty for free, as long as you check in with them if they're okay before you send them like physically to them. Emailing them the impressions is key, and if you forget, it's in the pamphlet. Unfortunately, we're down to 2 last things. Second to last thing is this card. Is it focusing? We don't know. Basically, this just like fills out your information and lets them know if there's any special instructions or anything you want them to know. Yeah, this goes in here. Very easy. So after you send your pictures of your impressions to Sporting Smiles and they say that they were good, it's time to put your impressions in the box, and they give you a little sticker to seal the box. Ship it off, you're good to go. There's free 3-way shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, you're good to go. That's everything that's in the box. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below on this video, DM us on Instagram, email us. Customer service is on point, always answering phone calls right away. So really feel free to ask any questions. If you're nervous about any stuff in the process, you know, definitely I recommend watching the video and call us. Like, we can walk you through the impressions if you have questions after that. We're really here to help you, so definitely let us know if there's anything you need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Sporting Smiles video. Bye guys!